Hello, today we are going to delve into parameterization for our test. It's essential when we want to apply multiple test sets to a single test. Let's write a function that will add two numbers, indication that these numbers will be either int or float, and that the function will return at int or float. We create a file for test, reminding you that the file should start with the word test. We import the function we are going to test. Let's write our test. Let's see if 2 plus 3 equal 5. Let's check that everything works. And it does. Now let's add another check to our test. For example, what if -1 plus 3 equal 2? This raises a question. How do we do this? Of course, we could write another test, but that would be bad practice. Actually, this is where Parameterize, which we talked about at the beginning of the lesson, comes to help. We need to import pytest and use a decorator on our test function so it can accept our values. First, we write the arguments that our function will take, which are the first number, the second number, and the result. We write them in one line, separated by commas. Then we place a comma and specify the value of these variables in tuple. Let's record our previous test. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and a new one. -1 plus 3 equal 2. Notice that we write this in separated tuples. We add our arguments to the function and use them in our assert. Of course, you can use any number of arguments, but remember, the number of value must match the number of your arguments. Let's run it. We see that now we have two executed tests, and accordingly we can expand our data. Let's add another variant to practice. We'll add two float numbers. We run it. Everything works, but you'll agree the names of our test don't look very good. This is easy to fix. For that, we write pytest.param. Now we write our IDs, their value, and this will be the names of our test. Let's run it again and look at our output. Much better. Actually, with Parameterize you can do a lot more interesting stuff. But I also don't want to stretch the lesson or overload you with information. So subscribe to the channel as there will be more videos. This knowledge about Parameterize is enough to get started. Thank you for watching, write comments, like, and have a great day!